Hello everyone, I am going to share why PowerShell does not support Angular commands. I solve my problem by executing the CLI command this. You can try this one. Let's see my code. I am using Angular 17 version and I have created the project. You can see the project structure is here. Now open the terminal command. Once type the ng-serve, I press the enter. In that case, I got this issue. See the red issue here. And the cannot be load because the script running script is disabled on this system. For more information here, I explored about this issue and found that this command. Now I executed this command. You can see here the below. Again I type the ng-serve command. This CLI command will help us to execute this. You can see here project is running on the 4200 port. Now I am trying to open this. You can see let's try again. Again I type the ng-serve commands. Basically this is the Angular CLI command. This help us to run the project. This is taking some time, so please patience. Now building this application. See, our project is run on the port 4200 port. This is basically default port. See, here is the hello routing the 17. I hope you will also resolve using this command. Please try to execute this command. I will add this command in the below comment box. In the you can use this command. So I hope this will help us to resolve your issue quickly. Thank you.